The Sensedge Go is the first cloud-powered, building-aware air quality monitoring solution in the market. Cost and speed to deploy has always been a challenge. I think the Sensedge Go, with its combined long battery life and wireless installation, is going to help organizations to expedite deployment while dealing with the environmental considerations that a lot of organizations have traditionally had with battery-powered units. The way that Kaiterra has brought together all of these units to now be able to work together in a network, I think is truly unique. The initial application to this to optimizing battery life, I believe, is just the beginning. This, combined with the new long-range wireless protocol, will help drive down the cost of deployment of these solutions, especially in large buildings. My favorite thing about Sensedge Go is that how Kaiterra has now got these units to work together in a network to build a complete picture of the environmental status of a building. This, combined with its expandability to support collecting data on all of the specific inputs you require for today's leading building rating systems, I think is amazing. I think the fact that Kaiterra has now really innovated outside of the box. They're thinking beyond the unit itself and thinking about how they can bring together a full picture of the customer's built environment.